Hello everyone, my name is John Martin from Additional Income, and today I'll be sharing with you my top 10 home business options that you can start today. And is online tutoring. With the rise of online education and remote work, the demand for online tutors has never been higher. You can offer your services to students of all ages, from kindergarten to 12th grade, or even post-secondary education. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and knowledge in your own subject of expertise. Number 2 on our list is virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is somebody who provides administrative support to clients from a remote location, i.e., your home. This can include tasks such as managing emails, scheduling appointments, or even just data entry. If you have strong organizational skills, this could be a great opportunity for you to work at your home on your own schedule. Third on our list is an e-commerce store. With the rise of online shopping, now is a great time to start your own online store. You can sell products in a variety of niches, from handmade goods to vintage items that you find at thrift stores. Platforms like Shopify and Redbubble make it easy to set up an online store, and you can reach a global customer base within just a few clicks. Fourth on the list is blogging. If you have a passion for writing and sharing your thoughts and ideas with the world, starting a blog can be a great home business option for you. You can monetize your blogs through advertising links created by Google AdSense and by hyperlinking your posts to sponsored links. And so creating a monthly subscription for your blog can really create a lot of money, and you're doing it all from your home, doing something you love. If you have great graphic design skills, number 5 is an excellent option for you. If you have talent for visual design, you can offer your services as a freelance graphic designer. You could create logos, web designs, marketing materials for businesses, or you can even sell digital products like stock photos or graphics that you've taken while traveling. This is an excellent way to monetize just everyday things that you're doing, taking pictures. Number 6 is website development. If you have a background in coding and website development, you can offer your services to help businesses or even individuals create and maintain websites. From custom-built websites to website maintenance, the demand for web developers is super high right now. So search for these types of freelance jobs on sites like LinkedIn or Fiverr. Those are great places for you to offer your skills of website design and development. Number 7 is a really fun one, social media management. With the rise of social media, businesses and individuals are looking for help managing their online presence. You can offer your services and strategies to manage social media accounts, create content, and basically just be the brand ambassador for that company on their Facebook, on their Instagram, or YouTube page. 8th on our list is writing services. Do you have a talent for writing? You can offer your service as a freelance writer. You can write articles, blog posts, or any other type of content for a business and or another individual working from home. These jobs are very important for people that want to create a blog post or some sort of newsletter for their customers, but they don't have the time to do it. This job is in high demand, and you can make a lot of money doing this monthly. 9th on our list is consultancy. Are you an expert in a particular field? You can offer your services as a consultant in that field. This could include fields like marketing, finance, HR. You can help businesses and individuals make informed decisions and achieve their company's goals. Searching for these types of jobs can be started in Fiverr and LinkedIn, Upwork. There's so many places that are looking for consultants for specific projects that their company is undertaking. Number 10, last but not least on our list, is online course creation. With the rise of online learning, you can create and sell your own online courses. This could include professional courses on a variety of topics, from cooking to programming, electrical engineering, construction. Platforms like Udemy and lynda.com make it easy to create and sell your own course content. And there you have it. The top 10 home-based business options that I hope can give you some inspiration and ideas for starting your own home-based business. It'll free up time and you'll be happier because it's something that you love. So I hope that this helps you. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I will be doing more videos like this in the near future. Cheers, everyone. Have a great day.